Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we will see about the clothing and size vocabulary, and also about the Ethiopian traditional dresses. So let's see one by one. So these clothes and size vocabularies. So what are the vocabularies or words used to name clothing or clothes in Amharic? So clothes, it means in Amharic lips. Clothes means lips. Clothes means in Amharic lips. And shoes means in Amharic ጫማ. Shoes means in Amharic ጫማ. And shirt means in Amharic ሸሚዝ. Shirt means in Amharic ሸሚዝ. And dress, it means in Amharic ቀሚስ. Dress means in Amharic ቀሚስ. Dress means in Amharic ቀሚስ. And trousers or pants. Trousers or pants in Amharic it means ሱሪ. Trousers or pants it means in Amharic ሱሪ. And a jacket, it means in Amharic also the same pronunciation jacket. Jacket means jacket. And its size means in Amharic መጠን. Size means in Amharic መጠን. So there are small size, large size, and medium size. So size means in Amharic መጠን. And a large it means in Amharic ትልቅ. Large means in Amharic ትልቅ. And small in Amharic ትንሽ. Small means in Amharic ትንሽ. And jeans in Amharic it means jeans. The same pronunciation jeans. So jeans. And shorts in Amharic አጭር ሱሪ. Short means in Amharic አጭር ሱሪ. And it is underwear it means in Amharic የውስጥ ልብስ. Underwear means in Amharic የውስጥ ልብስ. And it is socks ካልሲ. Socks it is in Amharic ካልሲ. Socks means in Amharic ካልሲ. And sandals in Amharic also sandal. The same pronunciation sandal. Sandal means in Amharic sandal. And slippers in Amharic also the same pronunciation slipper. Slipper in Amharic also the same pronunciation slipper. And it is hat it means in Amharic ቆብ. Hat means in Amharic ቆብ. And it is cap in Amharic it means cup. The same pronunciation cup. Cup means in Amharic cup. And scarf is in Amharic it means ሸሚዝ ጨርቅ. Scarf means in Amharic ሸሚዝ ጨርቅ. And medium means መካከለኛ. Medium means in Amharic መካከለኛ. And the Ethiopian traditional dresses የኢትዮጵያ ባህላዊ ልብሶች. Ethiopian traditional dress means የኢትዮጵያ ባህላዊ ልብስ. So let's see one by one. ሀበሻ ቀሚስ. ሀበሻ ቀሚስ also the same pronunciation in Ethiopia. ሀበሻ ቀሚስ. And shawl it is ነጠላ. Shawl means in Amharic ነጠላ. And jewelry means in Amharic ጌጣጌጥ. Jewelry means in Amharic ጌጣጌጥ. And necklace it means in Amharic የአንገት ጌጥ. And it is bracelet in Amharic it is አምባር. Bracelet means in Amharic አምባር. And a ring in Amharic it means ቀለበት. Ring means in Amharic ቀለበት. And earrings it is in Amharic it means ጆሮ ጌጥ. And watch it means in Amharic ሰዓት. Watch means in Amharic ሰዓት. And sunglasses in Amharic it means የፀሐይ መነጽር. Sunglasses it means in Amharic የፀሐይ መነጽር. So this is all about the Ethiopian traditional clothes and also about the clothing vocabularies and about size. So it's let's say about the useful shopping phrases. So how much is it? How much is this? ይህ ስንት ነው? ይህ ስንት ነው? How much is this? ይህ ስንት ነው? So is there a discount? ቅናሽ አለው or ቅናሽ አለው. Is there a discount? So ቅናሽ አለው you can say in Amharic ቅናሽ አለው. And it is very expensive. በጣም ውድ ነው. It is very expensive. በጣም ውድ ነው. It's cheap. It is cheap. ርካሽ ነው. It is cheap. ርካሽ ነው. So please reduce the price. እባክዎ ይቀንሱ. እባኮ ይቀንሰው። It's very good. It's very good. እጅግ ጥሩ ነው። እጅግ ጥሩ ነው። So this is all about today's lesson. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. So see you to another video. Bye.